Hi there! Today we're going to be trying Ariana's eyeliner technique. You probably see it online, like it's all over the internet, because like she does her liner in one swipe. But I'm going to tell you what I don't like about her technique. I'm going to insert the clip somewhere in case you don't know what I'm talking about. First of all, you know I hate eye pulling. Like I don't like doing this stuff, especially because you're going to give yourself wrinkles over time and you are smoothing every fold of the eye and creating a liner that might not look so good when you keep your eyes relaxed. It might work for her, it might work for a lot of people, but if, for example, if you have hooded eyes or, I don't know, some wrinkles on your outer corner or whatever, it won't turn up well. I'm not saying that her technique is wrong. Like I said, it does work for her, obviously, it looks beautiful on her, but I'm going to try it on myself and see, for example, if it works on me. Even though I don't have hooded eyes, I'm going to attempt to do her technique, and then I'm going to show you how I would do my liner. Even though I did like 1,000 eyeliner tutorials, this is the most in-depth one, but I'm going to do another one explaining to you, like comparing Ariana's technique to my personal technique, and that's it. Let's get into it. I have here my Essence 24 Ever ink liner, and basically what she does is pull her eye, kind of close her eyes like that, and turn her eyeliner like that and just draw a line quickly. Like I'm not used to keeping my liner like this. I usually keep it like this and just draw the line, but I'm going to try it. Hopefully it won't be a total fail, but we'll see about that. Okay, I'm kind of nervous, mainly because my mirror is over there and I'm over here, but we're going to try it. So she pulls her eye, kind of keeps her eye like that, not completely closed, starts somewhere around here. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, that's not bad. And then I'm going to do another line, kind of fill in this side here. Wait. I'm gonna try that again. Okay, I'm just going to do a little bit of filling in here. And she does make it kind of all the way to her inner portion. I mean, it's not bad, I gotta say, even though I hate eye pulling. I mentioned it before, but again, this won't work if you have hooded eyes, especially because she's closing her eye and pulls her eye, so no, this won't work. But I do love the fact that she keeps the liner like basically the other way around from what I usually keep it. It kind of helps build this sharp edge here, even though it's not that sharp. But for a beginner to have a little bit of a guidance there, to make it a little bit sharper, I guess it's fine. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I would do it. First of all, what I don't like about it, like I said, is the eye pulling mostly. And the fact that she does her liner with her eyes closed. If you have hooded eyes, this will look exactly like something like that. A very floppy wing. And we don't want that, obviously. My first advice would be keeping your eyes open and relaxed. So you can, basically your folds are relaxed, you can go over them, and basically want your folds to stand in the way when you're doing the liner. This way you're going to achieve the most flattering wing. So what I do is, again, keep my eyes open and relaxed. I trace basically a sketch for the liner. So I'm starting from my outer corner and doing a straight line here, however long I want it to be. And I angle it, again, however I want it. I usually do mine a little bit higher. And then I just imagine a point here, basically where my iris ends when I look ahead, straight ahead. And then I connect this point to the end of my liner with a straight line, going over any eye folds that you might have. So it's very important, don't raise your eyebrows, don't tilt your head back, don't pull your eye like that. Just be relaxed and trace the line. And then you can just fill it in. And this for me does a little bit more in terms of lifting my outer corner. It's extending my eye, it lifts my eye. And if you have hooded eyes, when you close your eyes, you might notice this kind of a shape there. Kind of a lightning bat wing shape. It's called a bat wing for a reason. It looks like a bat wing when you close your eyes, but when you look straight ahead, it's just so flattering. So yeah, I don't dislike her technique. It works for her, and it might work if you have like smooth lids. It was nice trying her technique as well. I might steal that, or I don't know. I was thinking that I might steal that, keeping the liner like this instead of this, but I don't know about that. It's a little bit harder for me to do my liner like that. And that was it for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite side? I obviously prefer my side, that's why I always do my liner like this. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!